Hello, I thought I would jump on here real quick. Of course, you kind of know me. It might not be that quick, but I want to show off the new TEDx speaker swag that I got, which is quite exciting. Candace Hunt, which is one of our fellow speakers, her daughter, actually, her middle school daughter, has a printing company. And I am hoping that we can raise enough money through some of our fundraising efforts to the end of the year to actually do some new designs for Parents for Arts Education and Students for Arts Education and some new swag. So be on the lookout for that and support us where you can. And also, I wanted to talk a little bit about the post that I put on LinkedIn today that really talks about some of the lessons learned and the kind of very raw and vulnerable situations that I kind of found myself in during the TEDx process. What it really showed me, and even with some of the responses that I've gotten to that and talked to a few people about, is how much we kind of are playing into stereotypes, or at least I personally am, which the stereotype of being the band geek and kind of assume and staying in my arts world for literally the last 30 plus years. It's been super easy as a public speaker to get up in front of people that you know are going to stand there and nod. I'm talking to all of the fine arts directors across the state, talking to them and saying, hey, fine arts education is important and we need to support it, is a pretty easy sell. But in this case, I was actually getting in front of people that I didn't know for sure would agree with me or would even see any value in what I had to say. And talking with my fellow speakers, putting this together, workshopping it, having so many of them who have not been involved in the arts, don't have children, say that I brought up things that they had never thought of, or some that actually said they were going to change the strategies for their children and their electives, or that they talked to family members about it. And it just showed me how important it is for all of us to get a little uncomfortable, get out of our arts bubble comfort zones, and start talking up how important this is about our experiences, the skills that we learned, the fact that these courses and these experiences are what builds the human skills that a computer cannot replace, and how crucial that is for the next generation. So the TEDx talk was exactly a month ago today, or I guess yesterday now. Sorry. But I wanted to let you all know that they have officially been sent in to TEDx, and it is up to them to now review them and then publish them on YouTube. So we don't know exactly when, but when they do drop, we will be all over social media trying to get everybody within the first 24 hours, if at all possible, to go not only view it, but save it, comment, and share, because that is how you get out of the YouTube algorithms and you show that this is an important topic that people are interested in. So be on the lookout for that, hoping that it is not going to be too long, but I've heard that it could be up to a couple months. So we'll see. But definitely be on the lookout for a Parents for Arts Education fundraiser for my birthday month through the end of the year. And then also when the YouTube video drops to help me get this out in front of as many people as possible. So thanks for all your support and have a great day.